Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. To returning subscribers, I want to say a very big thank you. If you're just joining me for the very first time, thank you so much. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bells, and guess what guys, we're about to have a ride of a lifetime. So last night after the party, we saw the housemates in the garden, right? And of course we saw Pere and Maria in a conversation, and of course Maria was talking to Pere about the fact that she doesn't even know if her boyfriend is going to take her back after the show, right? And then it got to a particular point. Maria asked Pere to remove his microphone, and Pere removed his microphone. And then when they got back into the lounge, both of them were still not wearing their microphones. And then Big Brother spoke and gave them a final microphone infringement warning.
His Big Brother. Maria, this is a final microphone infringement warning. This is Big Brother. Pere, this is a final microphone infringement warning.
Moving on to my next gist. So after the lights were out in the rooms, there were a series of conversations that happened. And I'm going to start off with Queen. So Queen was saying that she's in this house, and of course she likes quite a number of guys. And maybe some of those guys like her. But this is it for her. She's going to wait till after the show when they get outside of the house to know which of them she's really going to work it and get into a relationship with.
So I'm like, okay, let me just be having fun, chilling with anyone I want to chill with. And outside the house, I will really know, because inside here, you will not, even if you have feelings for someone, you will not know. You can be showing your feelings. You can be showing your feelings. Wait, you can be showing your feelings to someone, and at the end of the day, you don't know if the person is into you.
And this person might be fucking stupid.
Wait now. You don't know if the person is using you to catch cruise or using you as a plan, as a game. Wait now. You don't know if the person is using you as a game strategy.
Now remember that Angel and Boma had their time out in the executive lounge, and of course we see Angel here trying to clarify some things. She said that some housemates have the notion that something went down between herself and Boma in the executive lounge because it was just both of them there, as they could have had a third person, but they chose to just be two there. And she said that when they get outside of the house, all of them will see that nothing happened in the executive lounge other than the fact that they were eating and drinking and they were having conversations.
Executive lounge, that things were done. I would like to say that when we get outside of the house, you guys shall see that all we did was talk. And no, genuinely, like, if I fuck someone in this house, I'll fucking say that.
I actually didn't think about it.
No, but there's a notion that is what might have happened. No, I'm saying that because of what she said. No, I'm saying because she said that me and Boma went to the executive lounge. And when we went to the executive lounge, all we did was talk and gist and drink.
She then went ahead to confirm that herself and Boma kissed 2 nights ago when Boma was in her bed.
Now, Boma sleeping on my bed yesterday was purely accidental. I will give you.
He told me that he kissed.
Who?
He told me that you guys kissed.
Oh yes, you kissed.
So why did you say that part?
Because you know, and I'm aware that you know.
Okay.
So
wait,
now.
Mama slept on your bed. Where's your bed?
Now I move on to
Boma.
Angel eventually had to tell Queen, because at that point Boma was in Queen's bed, that come on, I'm here to pick Boma. Boma is sleeping in my bed tonight.
So
you're not staying in this house.
That's right.
So you booked a night with Angel. Be going.
Don't worry.
I don't know any night. Why are you putting feelings to it? You know the core relationship.
Come on.
Be going to your room. He needs to go. See, that the thing he needs to go.
You've been telling him to go. Boma, leave, go.
He needs to go and
So literally you would have thought that Queen allowed Boma to go and meet Angel. Then boom, we saw Queen and Boma on the staircase that leads to the games, which is the head of house room, right? And here we see Queen, talking to Boma and challenging the fact that he lied to her about sleeping in his room when he actually slept in Angel's bed. And of course, Boma was telling her, come on, these guys are just catching cruise, that he literally slept in the head of house lounge.
But she just opened your nyash.
But I can't sleep there though. I don't know why you think I can sleep. I can't sleep outside of my room. It's impossible. They'll ban me. You want me to ban me?
So why did she say you were sleeping there?
I went there. I can't sleep there, man. I've told you. You don't used to hear word, man. These people are catching cruise. You should know this room. These guys.
Who's catching cruise? I tell you the truth. She even confirmed the
But
truth.
it's the truth. I don't want to say your bad is the truth. You think I can sleep outside of my head of house room?
But guess what? After this conversation he had with Queen, boom, we saw Boma sneak back into Angel's bed. Then later, we were shown that Boma was back in the head of house room sleeping alongside Jackie B. Moving on to my next gist, here we see Angel quizzing Sasuke about J. Paul, asking her that does she really like J. Paul? And of course Sasuke said yes, she likes J. Paul.
I was just being dramatic. I was looking for a reason to leave you.
Because of the noise?
I need to, yeah.
Do you like J. Paul?
How the fuck did we just jump from because of the
Yes or no, J. Paul and Sasuke?
Yes, I like him.
Yeah! Good night, baby.
Good night.
Then at night, we see Sasuke, playing with J. Paul's hair, both of them in bed. And I'm just wondering, who exactly does Sasuke like? Does she really like Cross or she really likes J. Paul? Because we all know that she likes Cross. And we all feel that it was because of her that Cross really cut his hair. Finally, in my gist, I want to talk about Jackie B and Michael. So last night, we saw both of them in the kitchen area. And, Michael was asking Jackie B, do you love me? And Jackie B said that, you know what? I care less now.
Wow, that's like really making say that's very unfair. I'm sorry, that's very unfair. That's very unfair.
It felt like you were just being
Yes, I'm being me, but at the end of the day, you can ask around. How are we doing it for 2 folks about so many guys in the house?
That's not what it's about.
Are you kidding me? I was even in the head of house room with my for a whole week. We didn't even touch me.
So what? Maybe you don't try to phone like that.
Michael then went ahead to say that, you know what, you careless now, you're being mean. But Jackie was like, I said, I careless. I didn't say I don't care at all.
It doesn't matter. Exactly. So, okay, cool. And then, with you, you're acting like, you don't know what I'm saying.
Please use your words.
I struggle with that, can't I? I'm not very good at expressing myself.
Start now.
I told you that I care less. What if I don't care at all?
You care less, but that's a significant difference.
Jackie B then went on to talk about the fact that, you know what, she's put the relationship in a place right now where whatever happens will not hurt her. She said that she's in a very safe emotional place right now because she feels that back then, Michael's actions were hurting her and it was putting her into a particular type of position, especially the whole angel flirting issue, right? But right now, she's put the ship in a space where, whatever Michael does will not get at her.
I guess I'm just more free with you because I'm more free with you. Things I would get upset for, I don't get upset anymore. So we're probably not going to having the kind of problems we used to have before.
What gets you upset?
Like you referred to me back then. Whatever. Yeah, just things like that. Whatever it is, like you knowing me, you shop to me, whatever. Like I wouldn't be deeply happy.
We then saw Michael in the garden alongside Jackie B, and this time Michael was very emotional. And we saw Jackie B, hugging him and trying to comfort him. And he was saying that he knows that at some point in life he's going to find somebody who gets him, right? And of course, Jackie B said that, of course, she also knows that she's going to find somebody who gets her.
Your life is supposed to make you emotional, or else you're not living. But I know someday, if it's meant to be, I'll find someone that gets me.
You will. Just like I'm also hoping and praying that I find someone that gets me too. Do you understand? It's not just about you, Michael.
I know it's not. I'm just...
Yeah, I know, I'm just saying like...
Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bells, and guess what? You get notified whenever I post a video. Go on all social media platforms on Facebook, on Instagram, on Twitter, and of course on TikTok, and follow me at Femi Daniel. Until next time I come with very soon, it's bye for now.